Welcome back to our home gardening channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of growing cucumbers at home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Cucumbers are not only delicious and refreshing, but also incredibly rewarding to grow at home. With just a bit of care, you can harvest bountiful, crisp cucumbers right from your own garden. First things first, choose the right variety. There are many types of cucumbers, from slicing cucumbers to pickling varieties. For beginners, Market More and Bush Champion are excellent choices. Cucumbers thrive in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Prepare your garden bed by adding compost or aged manure to enrich the soil. Ensure the soil pH is between 6.0 and 6.8. Plant cucumber seeds about 1 inch deep and 12 to 18 inches apart. If you're starting indoors, use biodegradable pots to reduce transplant shock. Consistent watering is key to growing healthy cucumbers. Water deeply once a week, more often in hot weather. Avoid overhead watering to reduce the risk of disease. As cucumbers grow, they'll need support. Use a trellis or stakes to keep the vines off the ground. This improves air circulation and makes harvesting easier. Segment 7, Pests and Diseases Management. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and cucumber beetles. Use organic pesticides or introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of disease. Segment 8, Harvesting Time. Harvest your cucumbers when they reach the desired size. For slicing varieties, this is typically when they're 6 to 8 inches long. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to avoid damaging the plant. Segment 9, Enjoy your homegrown cucumbers. Now that you've successfully grown cucumbers, it's time to enjoy them. Whether in salads, sandwiches, or pickles, your homegrown cucumbers will taste fresher and more delicious than anything from the store. Conclusion. Growing cucumbers at home is a rewarding experience that anyone can enjoy. We hope this guide helps you get started and surprises you with a fruitful harvest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your gardening stories in the comments below. Happy gardening!